राजीव गांधी पंचायत राज्य संघटनेच्या राष्ट्रीय समन्वयक बिनीता वोरा यांनी 6 जिल्ह्यांना म्हणजेच बेळगाव, बागलकोट, चिक्कोडी, विजयपूर, गदग आणि धारवाड या जिल्ह्यांना यात्रा करत RGPSR पक्षाला बळकट करणार असल्याचे शनिवारी काँग्रेस भवन येथे आयोजित पत्रकार परिषदेत सांगितले. तर त्या शनिवारी काँग्रेस विहिरीला भेट देऊन आपल्या देशाच्या राष्ट्रपितांना मानवंदना दिली. त्यानंतर त्या म्हणाल्या की शनिवारीपासून आम्ही यात्रेस सुरुवात करणार असून येत्या 26 तारखेला आमची यात्रा संपन्न होणार आहे. या यात्रेदरम्यान काँग्रेस नेते, जिल्हाध्यक्ष आणि प्रमुखांशी सल्लामसलत करणार असल्याचे त्यांनी सांगितले आहे.
I am Benita Vora here from RGPRS, National in Charge of RGPRS Karnataka right now. It's my privilege and honor to start our RGPRS Yatra, Rajiv Gandhi Panchayat Raj Sangathan Yatra from this divine soil land of Belgaum. Today morning I visited our Congress well, took the blessings of our leader Mahatma Gandhi, founder of our nation, father of our nation. And it is this land that in 1924 he presided over the 39th Congress session, Indian National Congress session. So it is purely my privilege to be a part of this. It is in this session that he started the non-corporation, non-violent movement to attain political devolution of power. So we at RGPRS are working towards the same goal. We believe in devolution of power at every level, and RGPRS is a platform to create national consciousness regarding devolution of power, empowering people at the grassroots level by increasing their political responsibilities, authorities, and getting them in with the PRI institutions and the local bodies. So here RGPRS is not a recent organization. It is the dream of our leader Mahatma Gandhi, who believed in Gram Sabha. It was his dream to create devolution of power and empower the masses. In 1957, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji had started this the first time in Rajasthan. He started the Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and the Jilla Panchayat elections. But that time it didn't have constitutional status. It didn't have the power. So our Prime Minister, then Honorable Congress President Rajiv Gandhi ji, he amended it, gave power to the Gram Panchayats. And he started the 73 amendment for the rural areas and the 74 amendment for the urban local bodies. In this, it gives power to the common people to elect their representatives, and there is division of political, social, economic power. So we right now are here to strengthen the grassroots levels, to work at every level, to educate, work in sync with the PRI representatives. Right now, we are on a visit to 6 districts of Karnataka: Belgaum, Bagalkot, Chikkodi, Vinaypura, Bijapur, Gadag and Dharwad. We start from Belgaum today, and our yatra will go on till 26th. We'll be meeting all the local DCC presidents. We will take their guidance, and with the help, we'll connect with the elected members of the PRI, the contested members who have contested but lost. Their experience is also equally valuable for our organization, the former representatives of the local bodies, and we will request them to join our organizations and work in sync with us at various levels and share their political experience, their journey and work at the grassroots level with all of them. So looking forward to having a very strong team of Rajiv Gandhi Panchayat Raj Sangathan and fulfilling the dream of our leaders, senior leaders, and giving a tribute to today being the 123rd birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose ji, a freedom fighter. We pay due respect to him. And with the divine blessings of all our senior leaders, our chairperson Meenakshi Natarajan ji, the chairperson of RGPRS, with all the divine blessings, we start our work, our yatra today. So thank you and welcome you all.
तर त्या जिल्ह्यातील शेतकरी संघटनांच्या प्रतिनिधींची भेटून त्यांना आमच्या संघटनेकडून कार्य करण्यासाठी विनंती करणार आहोत असे त्यांनी सांगितले आहे.